Every travel company is racing to put a large language model in charge of booking. This demo argues the opposite. Here, the model only proposes. Deterministic code commits every booking, and a Saga rolls back any mid-transaction failure. 3 scenarios on the left, 2 agents on screen, a plain language model chat, and Veriprajna's transparent booking console. Start with a normal booking. Chicago to San Francisco, 1 traveler, 1 night downtown under company policy. The same request goes to both agents. On the right, the deterministic pipeline lights up node by node. Intent extraction, flight search, policy gate, verification, holds, ticket, hotel, commit. Look at the 2 results. The plain chat says all set and hands back a confirmation number it simply made up. The deterministic agent returns a real, verifiable booking, PNR 1001, flight and hotel confirmed. And the GDS search meter reads $3.25, 1 charged cash miss search, not a storm of speculative ones. Every step is inspectable. Click Intent Extraction. This is the language model's only job in the whole flow. Turn free text into a typed trip request. Origin, destination, date, travelers, hotel. From here on, plain Python decides. The model never touches the control flow and never touches the error path. Now click CRS verification. Before any hotel can be shown to a traveler, the code confirms it against the reservation system by property ID. Here, the Hyatt Regency San Francisco, CRS property confirmed, $318 a night. Only inventory that verifies is allowed to surface. Hold that idea. Second scenario, a hallucinated hotel. The model proposes the Tabacon Springs Eco-Lodge, a property that does not exist. Watch each console. The plain chat on the left confidently books it and again says all set. On the right, verification finds no matching property in the reservation system and the agent abstains. Rolled back to a red banner. Hallucination caught, nothing fabricated. Click the failed verification step. The refused card says it plainly, not found in reservation inventory. Verification gate, refused, not surfaced to the traveler. The agent's honest reply, I could not confirm that property. This is the difference between a demo and a product, 1 gate before anything reaches a customer. Now the hardest case, a flight in a hotel. But the hotel rate expires after the flight is already ticketed. On the left, the plain chat tickets the flight, the hotel fails, and it still says all set. A stranded traveler, a flight, and no room. On the right, watch the pipeline react. The deterministic agent does the opposite. Every forward step had registered its own undo. When the hotel commit fails, the Saga fires and compensates in reverse. Void the ticket inside the 24-hour window, release the holds. Terminal state rolled back, traveler safe. The honest message, the rate expired, your ticket was voided, no charge, here are alternatives. Every booking leaves a receipt. Export the audit trail, and each run becomes a signed JSON record. The model and version used, the typed request, every node with its deterministic verdict, every Saga compensation, and the EU AI Act Article 50 disclosure flag. This is the log and explain trail a regulator or an airline's lawyer will ask for. 1 booking is an anecdote. Run the benchmark. 200 synthetic bookings, 1 fixed seed, the same injected infrastructure failures through both architectures. The rows stream in live and 4 durable numbers settle at the top. Read the scoreboard. Consistent terminal state, 100% for the deterministic agent, 65% for the baseline. Stranded travelers, 0 versus 40. Fabricated bookings, 0 versus 30. An average search spend, $3.25 versus $7.57. The deterministic guarantees hold by construction on this fixed seed batch. The baseline's failures emerge from the very same events. This is the durable point. The failures that strand travelers and invent hotels are not model intelligence failures. They are a rate expiring between 2 calls, a hold rejected after a ticket, a search storm burning margin. Infrastructure events, independent of model quality. A better model does not remove the need for a gate and a rollback. Take the model out of the control flow and put every booking on a state machine that can undo itself. That is what we build at Veriprajna, building true intelligence.